Nothing could be further from the truth. Nothing could be further from the truth. When I'm going to give you a weird story, all right? I do every morning, God only knows what time in the morning, ludicrous hour, I do yoga. And the reason I do that is because I sit on my arse for 9-10 hours a day at my computer. And that's actually really, really bad for your posture, really bad for your back. And I used to get really heaps and heaps of back problems, lower back problems, and mid-shoulder problems, okay? And so I started doing yoga, and that's cleared all that up. Now, the first time I went to yoga, I was surrounded by all these young, fit, 20 and 30-year-old things in their yoga pants, and they all could do all these crazy stretches, and I felt like a complete idiot. And the yoga teacher said, on my first day there, who feels like they're the worst person here at yoga? And every single one of the people in the room put their hand up, and I thought about it, and I believed them as well, because we always think that we are the worst at something when oftentimes we bring unconscious skills to the table that other folks don't have but wish they had, And I see that time and time again. You, as a baby boomer, for instance, have got a massive understanding about your audience that somebody who is 20 or 30-year-old just would never, ever be able to get. And let me tell you, the good thing about selling things on Amazon is the lingo is actually really, really easy to learn. And just like you may not think that you know any French, for instance, oh, I don't know any French, I can't speak any French, parlez-vous français? No, I don't bloody speak French. But in actuality, you actually know heaps of French words already. Café, croissant, things like that are just in your day-to-day vernacular that you've just picked up along the way. Learning Amazon FBA is exactly like that. It happens over time through osmosis. Make sure you hang out in the group and you'll learn it by osmosis, Greg. You really, really will. And I'll tell you now, every single person who's in our community started from where you are and has gone on to learn and develop and grow. It's a perfect place to be, mate. It really is.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.